Looking for another currency. Yeah, let's see BTC USDT. If the chart is giving us something good and we are going to draw a trend line on the chart. What are we saying? Yeah. I love what I see. And we can also check, but you guys know BTC is just going on uptrend, is on bullish market. So if we have something like this chart, press the pencil, press the trend line, then click it, draw the trend line, drag it from the end, drag it here, like here. You can say something like this, and up here also it's something, but I'm going to be using clone. So yeah, clone. Once I clone, I can drag it somewhere here, and so the chart actually gave something like this, then after that it shoots up. So also to draw something like this, also just come to the line, click on trend line. It's very easy. Then draw up, then drag it. You can drag it 360 from where you start the line from. So click here, drag it like this. Just, you can draw it anyhow. You can even bring it like this. Depending on what you want to trade and your strategy. But this is just how to draw trend line. From support and resistance. Here is the support, and let's clone and bring it up here. Yeah, bring it up here. So you see, it breaks it and it keeps going higher. Then it's going to form something like that again, and also it's still going to break it. So people trading BTC to USDT now, I wish you good trade. So you guys, this is just easy as is, and you can also zoom it in like this and see what we have here. So if you zoom it in, you are going to see something like this, and if you make it, you are going to see something like this. The line is not going to change, and you can also change the color of the line from this red to any color you want it to be. You can make it black, but not too black. You can make it white, you can make it orange, and since we make this one orange, let's find, and we can make it pink. You can also make it blue. Okay, let's make it blue and red. Yeah, blue and red. Like I like this one. So this is one example on how to draw trend line very fast and easy. You also see we have it here, though we are not following anything per se, we are just drawing the trend line. So here is something for you, so check my previous video, so I explain how to draw trend line to make it more understanding for you.